have our project file set up. We can start or carry on with our design. But then, horror of horrors, the architect changes his mind and makes some changes to the file and issues us with a new one. We can simulate that process here. In the project browser, scroll down to the bottom to where you see Revit links. Click on Revit links and then right-click and then select Manage Links. At this point, we're going to reload the architecture link file and we're going to reload it from a different location. Click on Reload From and then select the architecture link revised file that's located in your common folder. Click on Open and we get a message that says an instance of a linked RVT file needs a coordination review. If I expand this message, it then goes on to tell me, well, not very much, we just need to take a look at this RVT linked file. The last thing I want to do is delete checked, so we'll just click on OK and OK to carry on with the reload. So now what happens? Well, nothing visually actually, unless, like in this file, we've set up our base plans where we can do a quick check on whether anything has changed in this file. And luckily enough, I can spot that there's a change happening on the grids. But what if I don't see that change? What I can do is select the architectural link file. On the Contextual tab, click on Coordination Review. This brings up a dialog box that shows the changes between monitored objects in the two files. I can expand these and actually take a look at them. There's the architectural link and it says a grid has moved. In this case, it's grid 10. I can compare that to my model. Select grid 10 in my model and actually see it highlighted in the plan view. So what do I want to do about this? Here it says do nothing. I can reject this change, accept the difference, or modify grid 10. Click on Apply. This has moved my grid 10 to match the grid 10 in the architect's file. We also have a message for changing levels. Here we have a message that says a level has moved by 152. And then we have the architectural link file and our level, which is the roof level. Finally, we've got some changes to lighting fixtures. Again, we've got the architectural link file and the lighting fixture in our file. At this time, I'm not happy with this outcome, so I'm going to reject this and add a comment. I'll copy that and do the same with the other fitting. I can click on Create Report, browse to my project folder and save a report for my project. This HTML file can then be sent to the architect. He can then open the file and look at the identity marks for the light fittings and compare them in his file.